Hello and welcome. Today we're labbing Kali Linux virtual machine in Oracle, looking to identify a host in our local area network. The first thing we're going to do is identify the local host IP and its subnet via its network card. So the first thing we need to do is run the command IPA. And what we just discovered here is our virtual machines, virtual NIC or virtual network interface cards. Loopback address 127.0.0.1 in its IPv4 form. And then we have our IPv6 form ::1. And then looks like the address is 10.0.0.187/24. So that's going to give us a .0 for our network address list. So let's go ahead and discover, let's go ahead and discover host on our network with the Nmap -sn short for scan, and we're going to run 10.0.0.0/24. Okay, and more than likely, the 10.0.0.1 is going to be our gateway for our virtual network interface card, but we're just going to scan this host in particular, the 10.0.0.32 that we found. 256 IP addresses with 9 hosts up here. So let's see. Run the command nmap -A along with the target IP address. Okay, so what we just discovered is an open port here on the transmission control protocol 8099. The service, then that's the state it's open. The service is secure socket layer. And a Vizio TV, to have a smart TV here in the home. It's a little bit older. So it says here it's running the SSL TLS randomness does not support or does not represent time, and then we're in the SSL version 2. SSL version 2 supported with no ciphers. So that's actually not the greatest. SSL version 2 is a depreciated and insecure version, and it could allow traffic interception, device exploitation, lateral movement in your network. So it's basically what we just did is discovered a device that's sitting in our local area network, which is this smart TV that is running a weak or unsafe encryption. So if your network router supports guest networks, move this device there. Devices like my unsecured TV. And that can be found just by logging into your router and enabling your guest Wi-Fi network, and going to your device, and then normally like how you would join your Wi-Fi SSID or your Wi-Fi broadcast, you would just go ahead and join your guest network. Now, your guest network's mostly treated like an unsecured network, or it's for devices that are unsecured. So basically, in my case, the TV would have internet access still, but just no communication to any of my main devices like my laptops and other devices. It would just be a network for Internet of Things devices like smart cameras, thermostats, and TVs, etc. So today's lab, again, was just a short one. And our purpose here today was just to scan our network and identify a couple of the devices and learn a little bit more about them, and just get more familiar with our Kali Linux tool here in our Oracle virtual machine. Thank you, and until then.